Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark from LeBlanc Tech Services. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and help us grow. Today we're going to go over what to do when you get a new TV and you're changing over your Fire Stick to that TV. So I'm going to walk through step by step on how to program the volume and power to that new device. Alright, you're going to find the Settings tab, Equipment Controls, Manage Equipment, find your TV. This will also work for a receiver if you changed out your receiver as well, but you're going to click on TV, change TV, select your brand, if it turned the power on and off, you can click yes, but real quick before you do that, I tried to get the volume, check the volume up and down buttons. I'm on a computer monitor, so it's not going to work, but it's just the volume up and down and mute. Just make sure that works real quick, and then click yes, and your remote has been updated. And that's all there is to it. Please hit that subscribe button, and everybody have a great day and stay safe. Thank you.